If you want to lose as much as 14 pounds of ugly fat in 2 weeks, enjoy better health with more energy while eating delicious food, then this is for you. The self-styled diet gurus have told you to feast on cabbage. Eliminate carbs. Eat your fill of protein. Eat 5 or 6 small meals a day. Make each meal a different food group. And so on. So why haven't any of these fad diets worked for you? The only diet that truly worked for me, discover the proven scientifically designed way to burn fat like a raging inferno, while you enjoy mouth-watering meals and delight in seeing the pounds fall off fast. Starting today, fat-burning soup diet recipes from the laptop of Dr. Anna Noel Harris, licensed dietitian. Hello, imagine if you could lose weight really fast, maybe even losing as much as 10 pounds in just the first 7 days. And just think how easy it would be with no massive shift in what you eat. You can still eat the same foods you do now. No need to exercise or working out. No silly dietary restrictions to follow. No starving yourself and feeling miserable. And just picture the envious glances you'd enjoy from the opposite sex and the astonishment of your friends because you've lost a total of 55 pounds. Too good to be true? That's what Emily Sanders of Bristol in the UK though, until she actually achieved it. Just look at her amazing transformation. A program like this, empowering you to finally master the key secret of effort-free, sustainable weight loss, should definitely cost a king's ransom. But before I reveal the very special deal I have for you today, I want to make one thing crystal clear. I take all the risk here. You've seen the glowing testimonials and impressive before and after photos of Emily and Dustin, but nothing beats being able to satisfy yourself. This program is for you. So you can try the whole program out for 7 days for just $1. So effective as my program, just 7 days should be enough time for you to start to notice the dramatic transformation in your body, because you could lose as much as 10 pounds in those 7 days. So check out the program and try a few of the simple, mouth-watering recipes. Then be delighted as you discover just how easy and tasty it is to lose weight this revolutionary way, eating just one scientifically designed meal a day. And then be astonished as you see your weight drop steadily even as you continue to enjoy your regular treats, such as ice cream, pizza, fast food, and even alcohol for the rest of the day. And revel in the astonished reaction of other folks as they see the new you. Then if, despite all that, you don't feel this program is for you, then simply cancel your membership. Fair enough? The program is digital, so it's not like you have to pack it all up and mail it back, is it? But I'm betting you'll be so delighted at what you've achieved you'll be eager to continue as a valued member, enjoying unlimited email consultation with our team of weight loss experts, unlimited access to members area, updates to new recipes and members-only content, free celebrity metabolism secrets ebook, free Think, Act, Love, Lose Weight ebook, free recipes to reduce everyday pain and inflammation in your body, free nutritional powerhouses for lifelong health and vitality ebook, unlimited email support. And you get all this for just $27 a month. Cancel anytime, and you also receive the extra peace of mind with my 60 days, no questions asked, money back guarantee. So determined am I that you'll enjoy the greatest possible success, I've gone the extra mile and created these awesome fast action bonuses for you. Got questions? We have answers. Q is fat-burning soup recipes for men, women, or both. Regardless of your age, your gender, or your eating background, fat-burning soup recipes help you lose weight. Our recipes help you consume fewer calories and help you expend more calories than you consume, which is essential for weight loss while keeping you satisfied so you never feel hungry or starved. Q, can these recipes help me lose more than 30, 40 or 50 pounds? It doesn't matter if you want to lose 5 pounds or 50 pounds or more, our recipes will help you achieve your ideal body weight. But for starting any diet or exercise program, it is recommended that you consult a physician, especially if you plan to dramatically lose weight. Q, am I going to have to buy fancy, expensive and hard to find ingredients to create my fat-burning soup recipes? We understand that some of you may have limited access to certain foods based on where you live, but we can assure you that each of our recipes uses commonly found foods that anyone should be able to find at their supermarket. The big thing to remember is that most people had no idea that the combination of these foods had such strong and natural fat-burning properties. Our ebook will reveal this to you. Q. Am I going to have to spend hours in the kitchen every day? These recipes were created with busy people in mind, so most of our recipes will only need a few minutes to prepare and cook. You can also cook the soup in advance or in batches and just reheat them when you are ready to eat them. Q. I have no idea how to cook. Are fat-burning soup recipes still for me? If you can use a microwave or fry an egg, then you can prepare our recipes. All of our recipes feature a step-by-step guide, so they are practically screw-up proof. Q. Is it going to cost me an arm and a leg in groceries to prepare these fat-burning recipes? The exact opposite, you will actually save money by eating our recipes, as some of our recipes cost only about $1 per serving. Q. I am more than 40 years old. Will your recipes still work for someone considerably older? Definitely. Not only will our recipes help you lose weight, but you will also feel younger, have younger looking skin, and also have more energy. Q. What if it doesn't work for me? The way we see it, if it does not work for you, then we insist that you get a refund. Your order is backed up by our 60 days no questions asked money back guarantee. Your order can be automatically refunded on your account. You don't even have to contact us. Test it for yourself. Experience the results for yourself. And if it's not everything I've told you it is, I'll give you a full refund and allow you to keep the entire system just for giving it an honest try. Now that is a more than fair deal, don't you agree? Fat-burning soup too. Click down the link in the description box to join now and have instant access. Hope we will meet soon. Go and register now. Please subscribe to this channel, and yes, please refer if you think this will help him or her. Thank you. See ya.